Transforming your backyard into a stunning oasis doesn't have to break the bank. With a variety of affordable garden ideas, you can design a captivating space that reflects your personal style while enhancing the overall aesthetics of your home. A meticulously landscaped garden, rich with vibrant plants and flowers, can serve as a perfect backdrop for relaxation and entertaining. One of the key elements of effective backyard landscaping is the thoughtful arrangement of various plant species. Incorporating a diverse range of vibrant plants and flowers can create a colorful tapestry that enlivens your space. Consider selecting perennials that thrive in your local climate, as they require less maintenance and provide consistent blooms year after year. Additionally, integrating some eye-catching annuals can add seasonal variety, ensuring your garden remains visually appealing throughout the year. Incorporating manicured shrubs is another excellent way to enhance your garden. These plants not only provide structure and form but can also serve as natural dividers, creating distinct areas within your backyard. Strategically placed shrubs can frame your garden pathways or highlight focal points, such as a beautiful stone-tiled patio. This durable and stylish patio surface not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space but also provides a functional area for gatherings, barbecues, or quiet evenings under the stars. A perfectly trimmed lawn is another essential component of trimmed lawn aesthetics. A well-maintained lawn serves as the centerpiece of your garden, providing a lush green foundation that complements the colorful blooms and textured foliage surrounding it. Regular mowing, watering, and fertilization will keep your lawn healthy, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and inviting area in your backyard. Don't overlook the charm of a wooden fence as well. A rustic wooden fence adds warmth and character to your garden, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. It can act as a boundary that defines your outdoor space while also providing privacy and shelter for your plants. Consider painting or staining the fence to match your garden's color scheme, enhancing its visual appeal even further. For those with limited space, small space gardening offers a creative solution to maximize your backyard's potential. Vertical gardening techniques, such as wall planters or trellises, can help you utilize vertical space while adding depth and variety to your design. Containers and raised beds are also excellent choices for small areas, allowing you to grow a diverse range of plants without sacrificing valuable ground space. In conclusion, creating a pocket-friendly paradise in your backyard is entirely achievable with thoughtful planning and creativity. By implementing affordable garden ideas, focusing on backyard landscaping, and incorporating vibrant plants and flowers, you can develop an inviting and beautiful outdoor space. Whether you're enjoying a quiet afternoon on your stone-tiled patio or hosting friends and family amidst the charm of your wooden fence, your backyard will undoubtedly become a cherished retreat.